G'day, Terry West here from Trance Media Southern again. As you likely know, I'm a severe weather chaser and photographer based in Warwick on the Southern Downs in Queensland, Australia. And welcome back for another instalment of my varying adventures. This week I thought I might show you some of my places I've been in my four-wheel drive. My old girl is a 1999 Nissan Pathfinder. She has a 3.3 litre V6 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. Everything's electronic on the dash for switching into four-wheel drive, etc. It's great, I love it. She has a 4-inch lift kit, Bullbar, lightbar, sunroof, 80-channel UHF, emergency services scanner, Bluetooth, roof rack, sidebars, everything. Personally, I think you can chase a possum up a tree, to tell you the truth. I love driving through wild weather, rough terrain, mountains, you name it. I'm very careful when I'm out there, and try not to make a impact on the environment. I try to follow the tracks that are already there, and I try, if I can, to stay out of any creek areas. Occasionally you do get in some areas, but that's the way it is. Anyway, I hope you all enjoy it, and see you next time on Varying Adventures with Terry West. And remember to give us a like on Trance Media Southern if you wish to follow the weather on the Southern Downs. Thank you.